Good morning. It is November 7th, and we got our first snowfall of the year here in Soldotna. I'm currently at Drew's house as my water pump is going out in the Vanagon. I'm waiting on my new one to get here. Should be here on Monday, and today is Friday. But yeah, first measurable snow. Hasn't even got a footprint in it yet. Not bad for a first snow. It's not real cold. It's 30 degrees Fahrenheit, so anyhow, figured I'd at least put it on film. First snow of the year down here in Soldotna. We are at the beach, and as you can see, it is an exceptionally high tide. It's actually still coming in, it looks like. And as you can also tell, we have snow now. So I figured I would come down to the beach and camp out. Been hanging out with Drew. He's got dinner plans tonight, so it's just me. And I figured I'd come out here. Now, a fun note is, I may have already mentioned, but my water pump's going out. And I ordered a brand new one. Well, guess what? I have a brand new one I'd already ordered. So, might be installing that tomorrow. This one's still working. It's not leaking or anything, but it's definitely, you can hear the bearings are going out in it. So I will be changing that in the near future. Oh yeah, I almost got stuck. That was a little softer than normal. But yeah, I'll be changing the water pump here real soon. And then I should be pretty much good for the winter on that. But as you can see, it's a dreary, overcast, nasty day. It's just below freezing. And I'm gonna sit here and finish organizing the inside. I'm kind of getting everything put where it's gonna be for the winter and reorganizing stuff. Took a bunch of stuff that's summer related out of the van, threw that in the storage unit. So I've got a little more free space. So I'm gonna get inside. What time is it? It is 4:16. I'll start prepping for dinner here within the hour and probably kick back and watch a movie or three tonight. Yeah, that's not looking good. It's not supposed to snow, but that tells me a different story. We'll see. And as you can see, my windows are dirty and it's getting dark out. And it's 5:12 p.m. But this is perfect because now I can show you some of the things I've been up to. Yeah, I've added some lighting so I can actually see when I open my cabinet doors for a change, which is nice. I still need to put one up here in the closet, but I have plenty. I'm still organizing and just, I had so much extra stuff in this van, it's crazy. I took at least as much as my refrigerator out of here, and I've probably got a few more things that are gonna come out, but figured I'd show you my lights. They're pretty sweet. At least now when I open the cabinet, I can find the things I'm looking for without having to find my phone or a flashlight. So yeah, some of the small upgrades. I'm also organizing stuff into little totes and all the fun stuff. So while I was watching a movie and listening to the waves tonight, I got around to hanging up my LED strip lights, so now I have a little more lighting in here with a lot less power consumption. Recharging one of my other lights. It's kind of cool. Lots of different colors and brightnesses. Does all kinds of cool stuff. I'm still figuring out all the buttons. But yeah, things are slowly getting finished in here. It's nice and cozy. The waves are still slapping on the beach. It's not 82.4 degrees in here. 72 degrees. And 29 outside. Anyhow, I'm about to call it a night, so I'm gonna shut these lights off and go to sleep. Good morning. As you can see, I got kind of everything already kind of situated to travel. Still working on those two totes. They're just miscellaneous things, and I'm not sure if they're gonna stay or not. I don't have anywhere to put those totes, and they'll get in the way eventually right there, so. But let's take a peek outside here. This is what we woke up to. You can kind of see the mountain range peeking out right there under the cloud line, but the clouds are dropped down onto this hard deck here. Got my heater on. So we're supposed to get some blue sky today, so fingers crossed that shows up. I got a few projects, like possibly doing a water pump today. If not, it'll be in the next day or two when the weather gets a little nicer. But yeah, plenty comfortable. Shows it's 30.2 outside and 64 in here with the door open, so it was more than comfortable. I'm gonna head into town. I got a couple errands to run. Take you along if we see anything good.